Hey everyone, Jason here from Eiferer Home Automation. Looking for a battery-operated scene controller you can stick anywhere, no wiring? Meet the SONOFF R5. It triggers scenes and device actions. And with eWeLink-Remote, several scenes work when the internet is down. Add wall switches with no wiring and set up a few actions, including two-way switching and dimming. The SONOFF R5 can trigger up to 18 actions, which is about 17 more than my average comment count. The R5 is a scene controller for the eWeLink ecosystem. Stick it with adhesive tape or mount it magnetically. Online, it triggers scenes in the eWeLink app. Offline, it talks directly to the compatible eWeLink gateways, so your controls still work even if the Wi-Fi or internet drops. To follow along, you'll need a SONOFF R5 eWeLink app, at least one eWeLink-Remote gateway. A SONOFF M5 wall switch works great. Other supported gateways are Basic R4, T5, M5, NSPanel Pro, Mini R4, BO5BL, BO2BL. All right, let's pair the R5 to the M5. Click on the M5. Click on the top three buttons at the top right. Scroll down. Go to eWeLink-Remote subdevices. Click Add. Click any button on the R5 remote. Go. Rename it. I'm just going to name this R5. Click Done. And that's it. Okay, we're going to create a scene. The R5 button, when clicked, will toggle the basic R2. Click on Scene. Click on Add. Click on Add. Click Smart Device. Select the R5. Select Channel 1. Clicked. Save. Save again. All right, then click Add. Go to Smart Device. Select Basic R2. Say Reverse. Click Save. Click Turn Basic R2 on. Click Save. Done. All right, at our test bench, let's quickly test this. It works as advertised. Okay, let's create some scenes using button 2 to set the GU10 bulb to 100%, 50%, and 24%. All right, let's add a new scene. Click the plus sign, click Add, click Smart Device, click R5, click button 2, select Clicked, click Save, then click Add, click the ZBGU10, make sure it's on, set the color temperature to warm, select brightness, default set to 100%, and click Save. Save, and then rename it GU10 100% and click Save. Done. Okay, we're going to do the same now for the others. I'm just going to fast forward through this, but essentially we're going to do the same, just setting a double click to 50% and the long press to 24%. All right, single press takes it to 100%, double press takes it down to 50%, and long press takes it down to 24%. All right, let's do some quick maths here. R5 supports a single, double, and long press on each button. That makes up to 18 trigger actions. Here are 4 scene ideas you can try. Good night, all lights off, exterior lights on, bedroom lamp to 10%. Movie time, living room to 30% warm, blinds down or curtains closed. Panic, all on, turn the hallway and all exterior lights on. And if you have, turn on the siren as well. Garden pathway, path lights up for 15 minutes with a delay action. And that's a SONOFF R5. Smart scenes online, direct control offline, and up to 18 actions you can customize to your home. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and drop any questions you may have in the comments below. See you in the next one.